Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to my station, The LA Realtor. Matt Alamina here, and I hope you're all doing great. So I'm making this video for you today to kind of recap what happened yesterday in the Fed meeting. So as they met up, they decided to, they were going to decide how high to raise the interest rates. And originally, we all expected it was going to be 50 basis points because Fed Chairman Powell said that there was no way that he was going to entertain the idea of going any higher than that. Well, unfortunately, due to our the last numbers, it shows that inflation is still not just much a very big thing here, but it's actually rising, even with the last interest rate hike. So, Fed Chairman Powell, or Fed Chair Powell, he decided to hike the interest rates up to 75 basis points. Now, this is huge, and it actually hasn't happened since 1994, and even after that happened, they had to actually bring the interest rates back down about 7 or 8 months later. So what this means for us is it means that we are aggressively trying to slow down the economy so we can curb that inflation. Now, as far as homeownership goes, to all you homeowners, please know that you're still going to get a lot of value for your homes because of the supply chain issue. There's still a huge demand for homes. So even though you might not be getting those offers for, 20% over asking price, you're still getting those offers for asking price, which are still elevated. So that's good. That's good news. You could still make a lot of money on your homes if you have to sell. Now, if you're buying, obviously you know that it's going to be a lot harder to buy in the range that you want because these interest rates have really affected your buying power. As a matter of fact, if you've been trying to buy over the last 5 or 6 months, you know that you've lost about 30% of your buying power already, and there's more to come. This is why I suggest that if you're in a position where you need to move this year, you do it sooner rather than later, because we do have more interest rate hikes coming, and Fed Chair Powell did say that he is not above doing another 75 basis point hike this next time around, next month. So if you do need to move this year, think about doing it a little bit sooner. If not, try to hold out, wait for a little bit of market correction. I think that we will start having one next year, but that's still a long ways away. All right, guys, so that's it for today. If you guys have any questions or you need to kind of just look for a realtor to help out with your real estate needs, please reach out. I'll be happy to help. But until then, I'll see you next time.